The brother asked that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, if He wanted to, He could create another creator. Again, this, when we go on to the attribute of al-irada, divine will, the divine will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not associated with impossibilities. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not do the impossible. He chooses not to do the impossible. Why? Because the impossible in itself does not exist. There is no existence for the impossible. This is similar to the philosopher's question, can Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala create a stone so heavy that He Himself cannot pick it up? This question is flawed. Why do we say this question is flawed? Because the question can be reworded. Can Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make Himself weak? This is the question in reality. By someone saying, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, can He create a stone which He cannot pick up? In effect, the person is asking, can Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make Himself weak? So the answer would be, the question is flawed, and the divine will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the divine power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not associated with the impossible. So whenever you look at these things, you must make the rational judgment in your mind, is this possible, impossible, or necessary? Once you know that the thing is impossible, you know that the divine will and divine power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not associate itself to impossibilities. Is that clear?